Smriti Irani, when you lost the elections of 2024, many people probably wrote you off that this was the end of a dream run that you've had, but we've seen you
It's not the
reinventing.
first time I've been written off. I was written off even when I was HRD minister, and when my portfolio was shifted, there was a very prominent newspaper in New Delhi which actually wrote my political obituary in a whole page. And then 2 days later, that reporter came to meet me to say it was not her, it was her colleague. So my political obituary has been written in 2004 as well. When I lost the election from Chandni Chowk, I was a 27-year-old girl who for the first time fought an election, not from a family of politicians. So I've lost count of the times I've been written off.
But how do you manage not to let this get you down and reinvent yourself and do the kind of things we see you doing? I mean, whether it is being at Davos, talking about, gender equity, or we see you doing
flabbergast a lot of
Tulsi
people.
in Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi.
Yes, I do flabbergast a lot of people by the fact that I tend to survive, and they take a punch at me. I tell them that make sure it lands well and I don't live to tell the tale another day. I think that I will quote Ajit Doval in a very popular speech of his when he said that स्वर्ग पाने के लिए मरना पड़ता है, लेकिन मेरी हकीकत यह है कि मैंने बहुत बार मरा भी और स्वर्ग पाया भी. So the idea
और फिर
is,
लौट कर आती हैं और फिर लड़ती हैं.
I think it's a blessing because not everybody survives one attack. The fact that I have survived many an attacks and still survived to tell the tale, I think is a great blessing. I also tell people when many people approach me to say they're having a tough time. I say, if you're having a tough time, that means you're talented. जिनको कुछ आता नहीं है, उनको कभी कोई मुसीबत नहीं होती है.
आप इतनी आसानी से ये सब कह देती हैं, ये फाइटिंग स्पिरिट आती कहाँ से है? आप कभी ऐसा नहीं होता, आप मायूस नहीं होती?
नहीं. I can't afford to be मायूस.
नहीं.
No, because I think my life is not an exception. In fact, it's an example. This is when people ask me, why do you keep coming back? I said, that is a quintessential Indian woman. We don't know when to put the sword down. We just keep coming back and we keep coming back and we keep coming back. Ask any Indian female. That is our fitrat. And ask any Indian man, they will certify it as well.
पर आजकल आपके मीम्स बहुत बन रहे हैं. वो कह रहे हैं कि ट्रम्प साहब ढूंढ रहे हैं क्योंकि जितने ईरानी हैं.
3 ईरानी से बात करें. बमन ने शायद एक अपना वीडियो दे दिया है.
बमन ईरानी ने, अरुणा ईरानी ने. मैं आपका सुनना चाहती हूँ.
जितने लोग इस ईरानी को जानते हैं वो तो ये कहेंगे इस ईरानी से कभी बात मत करो, जब तक इसका हिसाब बराबर नहीं हो जाता वो जंग जारी रखती है.
तो आप हिसाब बराबर किससे करना चाहती हैं? मैं तो ये जानना चाहती हूँ.
मुझे कई बार लोगों से कहना पड़ता है कि कंपटीशन हर किसी की फितरत नहीं होती, लेकिन दुश्मनी के लिए भी एक औकात होनी चाहिए.
वो कहते हैं कि कभी कभी भी कर लेना चाहिए.
नहीं, कभी कभी नहीं, कभी नहीं करना चाहिए. क्योंकि जब आप घमंड करते हैं कि आप चुनौतियों को पार कर सकते हैं, तब भगवान एक लाठी उठा के जरूर मारता है ताकि आप समतल रहें.